Hi, this is DIY for Life with me, Jay, and this channel is strictly for people that's on the go. I need some DIY that's on the go. I don't need a 20-minute tutorial. I need a 5-minute in and out. This is what I did. This is how I do it. This is how you do it. Good luck. You ever look for like one simple thing on YouTube and it's like 30 minutes later and you figure out that you got the wrong piece, or it's the wrong model, or it's the wrong year. It may not be the right model, the right year, or the right piece, but it's gonna be under 5 minutes. This is DIY for Life with your boy Jay. 5 minutes or less will get you in and out. Hit the subscribe button down here. Hit the notification bell up there, because there's no rhyme or reason. Finances, credit repair, life, girlfriends, wives, cars, activities, furniture, online shopping, how to get rich quick, how not to get rich quick. We cover it all, man, because it's life.